Most people look at a rocket launch and see a spectacle of fire and billions of dollars disappearing into the clouds. They ask, why are we spending so much up there when we have so many problems down here? But what they don't realize is that the up there is exactly how we solve the down here. You are surrounded by space technology every single day. The bed you sleep on, the camera in your pocket, none of it would exist without the desperate life or death engineering of the space race. Welcome to the hidden history. To understand these inventions, you have to understand the environment of space. It is a place of extremes. Extreme heat, extreme cold, and zero gravity. NASA engineers had to invent the future from scratch. Let's start with the comfort of your own bedroom. In the mid-1960s, NASA had a very violent problem. The takeoff and landing of high-performance aircraft subjected pilots to massive gravitational forces, sometimes 6 times their own weight. Standard seat cushions were useless. They would either compress completely or push back too hard, causing physical injury. NASA needed a material that could absorb energy and distribute weight perfectly. This opal cell foam was temperature sensitive, softening to the warmth of a human body for total precision. Today, this space-age shock absorber protects your sleep and even helps in prosthetic limbs and medical beds. Our second invention is perhaps the most influential. The CMOS sensor is the reason you have a camera in your pocket. In the early days, cameras were bulky and power-hungry. NASA needed something smaller and more efficient for deep space. In the 90s, Eric Fossum's team developed the CMOS active pixel sensor, a complete camera system on a single silicon chip. This technology enabled the social media revolution and revolutionized medical diagnostics. It's the imaging architecture NASA uses. Our third story takes us to the moon. Imagine trying to drill for samples when there are no power outlets. A long extension cord is a death trap for an astronaut. NASA partnered with Black & Decker to solve this. They developed low-power, high-torque motors that optimized every drop of battery life. Cordless tools were no longer toys. This led directly to the dustbuster. Every time you use a battery-powered tool, you are using technology perfected for the moon. The final invention is vital for survival. In space, water is more expensive than gold. Nothing is wasted. Astronauts recycle their own sweat and urine. NASA had to invent the most advanced water purification systems in history. Today, these systems save millions of lives in remote villages and disaster zones, providing clean water where there is no infrastructure. So the next time someone asks why we go to space, show them your phone. Show them your bed. Space is our laboratory. We go to the stars so that we can thrive in the dirt. We are a spacefaring species, and the proof is in your pocket. If you want to see more of the hidden science that built our world, subscribe to this channel. Like this video, share it, and leave a comment below. Until next time, keep looking up.